Hello everyone, welcome back again to my 90 days speaking challenge. This is the day third and in today's video I am going to discuss about the topic my biggest fear in speaking English. I think many of you have also fear to speak this language, so definitely this video is for you. I am telling you how much struggle I am facing this speaking English. To be very honest, my biggest fear is speaking in English. I want to speak, but I have a fear. What if I would mistake while speaking? What people think? So I want to speak, but I stop myself to speak in front of others. I feel that people make fun of me. I feel that people laugh at me by broken English, my weak English. So what should I do? I really want to speak in this language, but automatically my flow get down in this language. So what should I do? I also facing many times this problem. So another problem I face overthinking. Most of the time I overthink. Means while speaking, if I try to speak in this language, so the thoughts come in my mind. I'm using the correct sentence, my sentence is right or wrong, I'm using a correct tenses, what rule is it? So these thoughts come in my mind time and again. I think it is not right. Another issue I face, the vocabulary, the correct word. Sometimes when I start to speak in this language, so I forget the word. I don't know exactly what should I speak in this perfect situation. I forget it. So I know very well how to explain in the Hindi, but I forget how can I explain in English. So these problems came in my life. So I struggle a lot in this way. So I think all of you mm, means you are also some person they face this problem. But I think by the time after slowly I realized that something very important. It is English is a language, so we can improve by the practice only. So I am changing my mindset in a positive way. I grab a learning attitude in my language because everyone can't learn only in a overnight. It will take time. It is a long process of this journey. So if you are also scared to learn this language, just start speaking only. Practice is the one key. Definitely you can do it. We all have fears to speak this language. We are not alone. All we have a fear. So if you want to overcome this fear, so just one thing you have to do. I'm also trying it. Only practice. We can support to each other and try to practice with each other. So definitely we can definitely learn this language thoroughly and meticulously. So I think this video is really very helpful to learn this language. If you are also you have a fear to speak this language, you are a overthinker. So just don't think anything, just start working on it. Uh, as me. I think this is the enough for today. We will meet again with the day fourth video. Oh, thank you for watching.